Drone swarm is a self-organizing system of multiple drones that collaborate intelligently to complete complex missions more efficiently than a single drone could. It can collect data on air quality, wildlife movement, or forest health. It can detect and track wildfires, pollution, or deforestation in real time. A drone swarm can observe, analyze, deliver, and coordinate. It can do tasks faster, safer, and more efficiently than any single drone. It can perform a wide range of collaborative and complex tasks by working together intelligently. The swarm can dynamically change formation or behavior in response to new conditions. A drone swarm can scan large disaster areas to locate missing people quickly. It can map dangerous zones after earthquakes or floods where humans cannot safely enter. It can monitor large areas like borders, events, or cities from multiple angles simultaneously. It can detect and track suspicious activity more effectively than a single drone.